After removing its own Exynos processors from its most recent Galaxy S22 series phones, it seems as if Samsung may be bringing the society back for next devices. According to a new report, the company may employ Exynos processors in the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S23 FE. The news is reported by Pocket Lint, who obtained the data from a reliable source. Similar to earlier, the company seems to restrict the usage of the Exynos processor to certain geographical areas. With the processor appearing in the next Galaxy S23 FE and maybe the Galaxy S24, which is expected to launch in 2024, the new update might, however, happen soon. While using a different chip normally wouldn't be a problem, Samsung's Exynos series regrettably has a poor track record, with performance difficulties and other issues cropping up on Galaxy S22 devices. With the Galaxy S22 Ultra's slowness and display issues, our lead technical editor Adam Conway personally encountered these issues. Since Samsung opts to use Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors in other areas, consumers can plainly see the quality difference. How soon can consumers anticipate seeing the Galaxy S23 FE? According to The Insider, the handset is expected to arrive later this year. The leaked renderings depict a handset that is pretty similar to Samsung's previous models introduced this year in terms of appearance. Unfortunately, nothing very remarkable is happening there. There is a lot of unease around this news, but there is a potential that Samsung may provide a better Exynos experience when the processor is introduced. There's no reason to think that the company will continue to make the same errors moving ahead, since it is most certainly well aware of the prior problems with its chip. So let's hope that its most recent Exynos processors will match the society performance of rivals. But first, Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked, which will feature its newest foldables, will be held in Seoul. Get your reservation in as soon as possible to save $50 on the occasion. Samsung's Exynos processors have a history of having performance concerns. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.